G'day, it's Ben here again from Pitstop, and today's question is, my Wi-Fi, it's so terrible. What can I do to make it stronger? Good question. So basically your Wi-Fi comes down to the strength of the signal that's sent out from the wireless access point. Now typically that access point is that one device in your house. It is the modem router that connects to the phone line or whatever be that way you get internet. Now that's the strength that comes out of that, is pretty much what you're stuck with. So the really only better way to do this is to get a stronger one of those, or stronger modem router, or have additional access points in your house, which then spreads that information signal around. Another way you could really do is get that modem router into the central part of your house. The way it's going to give you the best spread in a 360-degree radius. Otherwise, you've really got to get additional access points. Ubiquiti is a good setup. We do that here at Pitstop. It's a professional installation, but you've really got to put the investment in. There you go. Any more questions? We'll see you in the next video.